When you search for the best car cup holder phone mount, everything looks the same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, 2-in-1 cup holder cell phone holder. First up is the 2-in-1 cup holder cell phone holder, priced at $16.82. What caught my eye here is its height-adjustable design, fitting phones from 4.7 to 7 inches. If you want a sturdy mount that holds both your phone and your drink, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable height means you can position your phone just right for easy access without obstructing your view of the road. Plus, this mount has already sold over 1,000 units in the past month, so there's clearly interest. Many people need a reliable place for their phone while driving, and this holder does just that. Now, some people complained about it not fitting securely in larger cup holders. Here's the thing though, if you drive a smaller car, this might actually be a perfect fit. But if you have a big cup holder, you might want to check the dimensions first. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple solution to hold both your phone and your drink while driving. Skip this one if you have an oversized cup holder that might not accommodate it. At this price point, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the fit issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, cup phone holder with adjustable gooseneck. Next up is the cup phone holder with a 360 degrees adjustable long gooseneck, priced at $12.64. What stood out for me was the flexibility of the gooseneck. It bends to your preferred viewing angle. If you want something that can adapt to your needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The long gooseneck allows you to position your phone exactly where you want it, whether you're navigating or taking calls. It's compatible with all smartphones, including iPhones and Samsung devices, making it a versatile option. It's also sold over 1,000 units recently, showing that a lot of people are finding value in it. Now, some reviews mention that the gooseneck can feel a bit flimsy under heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're not constantly adjusting it, it should hold its position well. But if you're someone who likes to fiddle with it a lot, that might be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a flexible mount that can adjust to your driving style. Skip this one if you prefer something more rigid and sturdy for long-term use. At this price, it's a decent option for those needing flexibility. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for stability and adjustability. Product number 3, Miracase 2025 Upgraded Universal Cup Phone Holder. Finally, we have the Miracase 2025 Upgraded Universal Cup Phone Holder, priced at $24.02. I was impressed with its rotatable and adjustable design, which allows for easy viewing from any angle. If you want an all-in-one solution for your phone while driving, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The rotatable feature means you can switch from portrait to landscape effortlessly, which is great if you're using navigation apps. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphones, and it has 500 plus sold in the last month, indicating it's gaining traction among buyers. Many drivers want something that won't budge during a drive, and this mount promises that kind of stability. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit tricky to adjust at first. Here's my take: once you figure it out, it's generally a solid mount. But if you're not patient with setup, it might be frustrating at first. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, adjustable mount that caters to all smartphone sizes. Skip this one if you're looking for something super simple that's ready to go out of the box. It's a bit pricier, but if you value stability, it's worth it. So to summarize, we have the 2-in-1 holder for the multitaskers, the adjustable gooseneck for those who want flexibility, and the Miracase for anyone seeking stability. Each one serves a unique need, so choose based on what fits your driving style best. So to summarize, we have the 2-in-1 holder for multitaskers, the adjustable gooseneck for those wanting flexibility, and the Miracase for anyone seeking stability. Each one serves a unique need, so choose based on what fits your driving style best. Whatever you go with, having a secure place for your phone can make your drive a lot safer and more convenient.